Dr. Shravani. Welcome back to my channel Health Architect, the Healer of Life. Today's topic is going to be about medicine or health supplement that helps in PCOD, which is also called as polycystic ovarian disease or polycystic ovarian syndrome. So PCOS or PCOD is basically an endocrine disorder usually seen in cases where there is imbalance of hormones. PCOS or PCOD is a condition noticed in females which is a main cause of infertility these days. Women cannot conceive, women are not having children because of infertility issues. PCOS is a condition which is mainly seen in young girls, mainly seen in middle-aged women where there is cyst in the ovary, and PCOD is a condition which results in infertility cases. So today we are going to study about PCOD in short. In the next lecture we'll study about PCOD, how the PCOD arises, what can be done to avoid PCOD. So this will be covering in the next lecture. So PCOD is a condition which is noticed in females where there is imbalance of hormones, high levels of testosterone, that is a male hormone, and high levels of insulin, which results in diabetes in women. Hormones. So now the question arises, what is hormonal imbalance, or what are hormones? Hormones are the chemical messengers that is formed in every organism, in all the human beings. But there might be certain condition where the hormones can be excessive in quantity, or there can be condition where the hormones are very little in amount. So this is called as hormonal imbalance. Hormones are essential in case of body's ability to utilize the energy. Hormones play an essential role in case of reproduction. Hormones have other functions too. Hormones also help in metabolism, that is the metabolic process of the body, or any kind of the function, inflammation of the body, the increasing of hunger, the appetite of the person. This all includes in metabolism of the person. So if there is any problem in metabolism or a decreased in digestion, it results in inflammation, and ultimately it gives rise to various forms of cancer in the body. It gives rise to various kinds of diseases. So hormones are chemical messengers that help in reproduction, they help in metabolism, and they help the body's ability to utilize the energy. Hormonal imbalance arises when there is excessive amount of hormones, or in cases where there is very decreased amount of hormone. So both the situation when there is too much of hormonal production, or when there is lack of hormonal production, this results in hormonal imbalance. It is very essential to keep the hormones in a balanced state, because it is very essential for the body to function in an appropriate manner, to function in a steady manner. It is very essential. If the hormones are in balanced state, it prevents you from other ailments or other diseases. Any imbalance in hormone, that is, if there is any decrease in hormone, or if there is any excessive amount of hormone produced in the body, it will result in dysfunction of various organs, and ultimately it will result in diseases. The hormones keep fluctuating throughout your lifetime. It can be because of the age factor, it can be because of your diet, it can be because of exercise, the type of exercise you do, how much exercise you do less exercise, you do more exercise. So hormones depends on exercise too. The diet also plays a very important role. What kind of food you eat, high fat food, low fat food, junk food, healthy diet, it all depends on diet as well. It also depends on internal and external factors. Hormone imbalance can happen due to various kind of stress related problems, depression, mental ailments, anger. These all other factors internal factors which can result in hormonal imbalance and which can result in infertility cases, PCOD cases, etc. There are certain medicines which also affect your hormonal production. It can result in your hormonal imbalance. So medication is another cause of hormonal imbalance. So now let's see what are the signs and symptoms of hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalance can arise in both males and females. So what are the symptoms? There can be increased hunger, there can be increased hair loss, decreased sexual performance, pain during sexual intercourse, lethargy, weakness. A person might be anxious, depressed, frustrated. A person can have a problem in pain during menses. A female can have irregularity of menses, irregular menses, pain during sexual intercourse. A person might be having mood swings. So these all are signs of the hormonal imbalance. Person might not be getting proper sleep. Person might be hungry too much, or there might be decreased appetite in some cases. A person might be increasing in weight. So their obesity is a condition which is mainly seen due to hormonal imbalance. So there might be all the symptoms, all the systems in the body is affected. The reproductive tract is affected. The GI tract is affected. So hormonal imbalance can result in overall derangement of the system. A person might also be having problem in the gastrointestinal tract. Person might be having problems in passing motion, that is, person might be experiencing constipation, person might be experiencing increased bowel movement, so person must be passing motions frequently. So these are all the signs of the hormonal imbalance. Person might be fatigued, lethargic, stressful, person might be restless, person might be having increased sensitivity to heat and cold, person might be gaining weight instead of working out every day. So these all are the signs of the hormonal imbalance. So I'll be showing you all a medicine. This is a medicine, a total natural medicine which can help every female in cases of hormonal imbalance, that is infertility cases, PCOS cases, that is polycystic ovarian diseases, a female who is not conceiving. This medicine is very useful in these cases. So this medicine I'll be explaining in brief what are the contents in the medicine and how each content helps you or helps a woman in reproductive tract, helps in proper balancing of the hormone, and how this health supplement or medicine helps every woman to get rid of all these conditions arising from hormonal imbalance, that is PCOS, infertility cases, or other reproductive tract issues. So this is a very natural medicine having all the Ayurvedic ingredients, and the fact is the body will heal yourself on its own with the help of this health supplement. So any external source is not required to heal your body. This will just help your body to recover your reproductive tract or reproductive system on its own to function in a normal way, and this medicine will help in hormonal imbalance to get your hormones back into function and to neutralize or get your hormones back to normal level. So this medicine is has many contents in it. Basically it has antioxidants, phytoestrogens, it has indoles, calcium D-glucarate, which helps you to balance the hormones. So we'll come to one by one what are the constituents of it, what are the contents of it, and how does each content help you to get all the hormones back into the place. So this magical medicine has a lot of contents. So first it has green tea extract, it has grape seed extract, it has shatavari extract. Shatavari is very useful in case of female reproductive system. So it has shatavari extract, it has egg yolk powder, it has cow milk powder, it has bovine colostrum powder, it has flax seeds in it. The flax seeds extract this medicine has got. It has red clover extract, it has clover bud oil. So these all other contents of this magical remedy. It has also Ayurvedic constituent, that is Vidari Kanda extract. So we'll study about all these contents in detail and how these are helpful in your balancing of the hormones. So coming to green tea, which is the first constituent in this medicine. Green tea, as we studied, has tremendous antioxidants. So it decreases your aging process, it decreases your inflammatory process. So as we know, in PCOD or PCOS, there is increased amount of male hormone called as testosterone. There is increased amount of insulin. So that's why this results in diabetes in case of PCOD women. So in case of PCOD, there is increased testosterone, increased stress hormone, that is cortisol, and increased amount of androgen and increased amount of insulin production. And what does this medicine, that is green tea, does is it reduces the cortisol that is produced in the body, that is the stress hormone. It increases the metabolic rate, it decreases the inflammation, it decreases the free radicals that is formed in the body, it promotes the weight loss, it helps to decrease the BMI, and it helps in decreasing the stress in the individual. Green tea increases the energy consumption, it increases the fat oxidation, and thus it decreases the weight. It also helps in your thyroid function. Green tea contains a compound called as theanine, which is useful in decreasing your stress hormone, that is cortisol. Green tea also decreases the male hormone testosterone in a woman suffering PCOD. Green tea also reduces your fasting insulin, which is usually high in case of PCOS. Now let's study about the second type, that is shatavari. Shatavari is usually helps in case of fertility issues in women. Shatavari is very useful in case of lactating women, that is, it helps in milk production in case of lactating women. Shatavari also helps in decreasing your stress, depression, anxiety. It helps in proper sexual power, increases the sexual power. It helps in decreasing the weight. It helps in decreasing your free radicals because it has a tremendous amount of antioxidants. Shatavari also helps in balancing of the hormones. If there is any imbalance of the hormones, Shatavari helps in maintaining a proper balance of the hormones. It promotes your reproductive health. It prevents you from getting any kind of reproductive issues. It decreases your inflammation in your body, and thus it prevents you from getting cancer in future. Shatavari also helps in decreasing the amount of androgens or the male hormones testosterone. It helps in decreasing the fasting insulin, as I have told you all before that PCOD, in PCOD cases there is increased fasting insulin. So Shatavari is a type of constituent present in this medicine which helps you in decreasing your fasting insulin, and thus it reduces your chance of getting diabetes in future or any cardiovascular diseases in future. Shatavari also helps to promote the ovum production, that is, it helps follicular growth and development, production of a proper amount of hormones, proper ovum production, and thus this helps in conceiving, that is pregnancy. It also helps to correct the irregularities in menstrual cycle experienced by a woman in case of PCOD, or in case of any other issues of the reproductive tract, or in case of infertility. So the ovum production is required to conceive, or it helps in pregnancy process. So Shatavari helps in proper ovum production, balancing of the hormones. It helps the woman to correct the irregularities of the menstrual cycle. That is, it gives you proper cycle, that is 28 to 35 days of menstrual cycle. So it regulates your menstrual cycle in this case. It also helps in decreasing the pain which is experienced by a woman during menses due to the cyst in the ovary, that is the polycystic ovarian disease. So it gives you a proper range of cycle, that is 5 to 7 days, not too many days of menstrual cycle and not scanty days of menstrual cycle. And it helps to... So as we know, there is something called as the ovulation process, that is our ovaries release ovum every month after the menstrual cycle. So this is called as ovulation. And there are two hormones which help in case of ovulation, that is FSH and LH. FSH is follicular stimulating hormone and LH is luteinizing hormone. So FSH and LH are the hormones which help in case of ovulation. And ovulation is very essential in promoting your conceiving power, or results in fertility. So Shatavari helps in proper balancing of the FSH and LH. There are also two hormones, that is estrogen and progesterone, in females, which help in various kinds of issues and help in your reproductive health. So these two hormones is properly balanced by Shatavari, and these two hormones are imbalanced in case of PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian disease, or in case of infertility cases. Shatavari also helps in promoting your uterine health and ovarian health. So it gives you proper regular menstrual cycle, that is 28 to 35 days, and proper duration of the menstrual cycle, that is 5 to 7 days. And it prevents excessive bleeding, and it promotes bleeding in case of scanty menses. So this is all about Shatavari. So now let's study about the flax seeds, which is the third constituent of this remedy. So flax seeds is basically rich in antioxidant. It reduces your inflammatory process in your body. In case of polycystic ovarian diseases, it decreases the cyst in the ovary. It balances your hormone. It reduces your insulin. It increases the utilization of your body for insulin, utilization of glucose in your body. Thus, it reduces the raised level of insulin that is usually noticed in case of polycystic ovarian disease. Flax seeds also are rich in antioxidants. It helps in preventing various forms of reproductive cancers. So having flax seeds 2 tablespoons every day helps in proper balancing of the hormones. Flax seeds also reduces the male hormone testosterone. It reduces the androgen. It reduces your raised insulin levels. It also increases the sex hormone binding protein, or it reduces your excessive amount of hormone that is produced in the body in case of PCOD, that is increased testosterone, increased insulin, etc. Flax seeds has a compound called as lignans, and this compound helps in decreasing the quantity of the testosterone in case of polycystic ovarian disease. So there is increased testosterone in the body. So lignans help in decreasing the testosterone that is formed, and helps in maintaining a proper balance of hormones. Flax seeds also help in reduction of the weight. as seen in PCOD, where there is increased amount of weight or obesity due to increased insulin levels or decreased utilization of the glucose by the body. So flaxseeds help in insulin reduction, testosterone reduction. It flushes out excessive androgen that is produced in the body. So this is all about flax seeds. Coming to the next constituent of this medicine, it includes kundu or bidari kanda. So this constituent is an Ayurvedic product which helps in maintaining proper urinary and reproductive health. So it helps in urinary complaints and it helps in reproductive complaints as well. It also helps in improving your infertility, helps in decreasing the amount of cyst present in the ovary, that is polycystic ovarian disease, and it also helps in promoting your sexual health, or it improves your performance in sexual activity. It helps in reducing your weight and it helps in increasing your metabolic function or metabolic power of the body. So this is all about Vidari Kanda, which helps in maintaining a proper balance of the hormones. This medicine also contains egg powder. So what is the role of eggs in case of polycystic ovarian disease and infertility? Eggs contain proteins, egg contains omega-3 fatty acid, it contains various vitamins, iron, folate, thiamine, which help in increasing the immunity of the body and ultimately helps the body to recover on its own. So whatever derangement is present in the body because of the hormonal imbalances, your body helps in fighting against the imbalances by increasing your immunity and increasing the function of your body or hormones. So this is all about role of the egg in case of PCOD, which is present, the egg which is present in this medicine. This medicine also contains bovine colostrum powder and cow milk powder, which ultimately helps in proper balancing of your proteins and proper functioning of your hormones. The next constituent of this remedy includes the clove bud oil. So this clove bud oil is an antioxidant which reduces the inflammation in your body. It decreases your aging process, maintains a proper balance of your hormones, the female hormones. It reduces the levels of the insulin in your body, which is usually seen in PCOD, and it increases your glucose tolerance or utilization of the glucose in your body. So this is about the clove bud oil. The next constituent is very important, that is the constituent of this medicine, that is the red clover leaf. So how does this red clover leaf helps in PCOD? It promotes proper balance of the hormone, that is estrogen. It decreases your acne production in case of PCOD. In case of PCOD, there is excessive acne production because of the imbalance of the hormone. So this medicine, that is a red clover leaf that is present in this health supplement, it decreases your acne production in case of PCOD. It balances your estrogen because it contains physoestrogen, it contains isoflavones which act as an estrogen in case of imbalance in estrogen. So estrogen plays a very important role in improvement of the symptoms of the PCOD or infertility cases. Coming to the last constituent of this magical remedy is the grape seed extract. So as we know, grapes are rich in antioxidant properties, and it thus decreases your inflammation in the body, decreases the body's tendency to form cancer in future, it decreases the inflammation in your body, decreases your inflammatory markers in the body, which is usually seen in PCOD. In PCOD, an individual or a woman suffers from inflammation because of decreased metabolism in them. So it promotes your metabolic power, it reduces your weight which arises because of the imbalance in the hormones, it promotes a proper balancing of the hormones, it restores your hormonal balance system. it also helps in reducing the amount of insulin that is produced because of the polycystic ovarian disease, and it helps in proper balancing of your hormone of that is the estrogen and the progesterone, decreases your stress hormone, improves your facial complexion, decreases your pimples or acne, decreases your pigmentation, because it helps the body to recover on its own, because it decreases your inflammation, decreases your aging process, decreases your free radicals or the toxins in your body. So it helps your body to recover on its own. So these all the constituents in this medicine just helps your body or stimulates your body to recover on its own or heal your reproductive system on its own. So this is all about this medicine and its constituent of the medicine and the role of each constituent, as I have explained before. So this is all about this medicine. So I have explained how this medicine helps a woman in case of infertility issues, in case of polycystic ovarian disease, in case of various reproductive tract issues, cancers. So this medicine is very useful for a female or a woman to maintain a proper health and improve the complexion. So if any one of you is interested to buy this medicine, please do contact me. I have given my website, so please contact me on the website to take the appointment, and I'll be delivering you the medicine, because this medicine has all the properties, and I guarantee you that this will help you to keep your hormone in a balanced way, and it is very, very essential to cure polycystic ovarian disease, infertility cases, and your acne production. It decreases your acne production. So please do contact me if anyone needs this medicine. Thank you for watching my video, and this medicine is very useful for everyone to promote your immunity, to promote your reproductive health, and it is very, very essential for a woman. So please do order this medicine, and please do contact me on my website, and I'll be giving you all the details about this magical medicine or health supplement. I'll be giving you details about the price and other queries, whatever issues the patient is having. And thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe my video. Stay tuned for the latest information, latest topics that I will be covering. And in the next topic, I'll be covering about the polycystic ovarian disease. What are the signs, what are the symptoms, how does it occur, and what are the natural remedies one can use to get cured from polycystic ovarian disease. So please do like my video and share it to your friends and family, and please do subscribe.